Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. It's been a couple of days since I made a video. I had some challenges with my email autoresponder over the weekend, so I haven't been able to send out any emails to my list. But I'm in the transition here of moving over to a different email autoresponder. Nothing against Aweber. Aweber is an excellent email autoresponder. It's just that they don't like people promoting business opportunities on there. So when people signed up through my blog, they weren't getting the automatic email follow-ups, okay? And Aweber stopped them from getting those email follow-ups because I was promoting a business opportunity. So that's why I'm moving over to a different email autoresponder. But not only that, I'm also going to change up my email marketing strategy where I'm providing more value, and I'm not going to be putting the name of the business opportunity or the marketing system that I'm using inside my emails, because that's what flags your account. And it really doesn't matter what email autoresponder you're using. I'm switching over to GetResponse, but even with GetResponse, you still have to be careful with the type of emails that you're sending out. So I'll be providing more value in my emails, and when I am promoting a business or a marketing system, I'm not going to be mentioning them by names. I'll probably just be talking about this business or this system, and I'll be sending out links to my YouTube videos and getting signups that way. Okay, so I'm just revamping my whole marketing strategy just to make sure that I don't run into this problem again. But today I want to talk about the Fearless Momma and what are you actually purchasing when you pay your $250 to get access to the Fearless Momma. What you are purchasing is marketing training, okay? Marketing training that will teach you different marketing strategies that you can use in any business. So the marketing training that's under Training Portal, that training, those marketing strategies don't necessarily have to be used just to promote the Fearless Momma. You can promote the Fearless Momma if you want to. You don't have to, but you can use these marketing strategies to promote any business that you're in. So, I mean, if you're in a network marketing company, you can use these marketing strategies. If you are promoting an affiliate marketing company or a direct sales company, you can use these marketing strategies to promote those companies, okay? So you don't have to promote the Fearless Momma if you don't want to. You can promote any business that you're in, okay, using these marketing strategies. Okay, so right now what you're looking at is the dashboard of the Fearless Momma. This is what you go to after you pay your $250. And whoever refers you to the Fearless Momma, which would be me, my information will be right here. I have this blocked out right now because I don't want to reveal personal information of my referrer. Okay, so what in this video, the 6-minute video that Tammy has here, Tammy is the Fearless Momma. She goes over, gives you a brief overview of the system, and then she gives you your next step, which is setting up your payment processor so you can collect 100% commissions. Because when people pay their $250 to join you in the Fearless Momma, they're paying you directly, okay? So you get that 100% commission. So when you go over here to my account, click on collect 100% commissions, you set up your excuse me, you set up your payment processor. Now they just added this part where you can receive offline payments, like if somebody wants to mail you a check, wire you money through like Western Union, or send you like a money order, then you can click on this link to mark off their offline payment. You just need your customer's name, first and last name, their email address, and you also need a copy of their receipt of payment so you can upload that onto this website so they can get marked off as being paid and get access to the Fearless Momma back office. Okay, now for online payments, you can use PayPal, Stripe, or Authorize.net. I always tell people not to use PayPal because PayPal has really been cracking down on people promoting business opportunities. They will shut down your account and freeze the money inside your account for like 6 months. So you won't get access to that money for 6 months. So I usually tell people to stay away from PayPal. Stripe is better. I am using Stripe to collect online payments. And with Stripe, when you set up your account, it's free to set up your account. When you set up your account, they're going to ask you for a business URL. If you have a blog, you can just use your blog's URL as long as your blog is not talking about, business opportunities, making money online type stuff, that kind of thing. If it's just a generic blog, you can use that as your business URL. If you don't have a blog, all you have to do is, buy a domain name, buy some hosting, and install WordPress on it. Installing WordPress is free. And then just set up a generic blog and use that as your business URL. Also, there's a URL that you can use when you're promoting the Fearless Momma. They give you a URL to put in that space for a business URL if you don't have a blog, and it's down here below. I don't want to show it, okay, but you can use that URL as generic and you'll be fine, okay? So I would say go with Stripe. With authorized.net, there's a $39 a month fee, but you can cancel at any time. It's also only open to US residents, okay? Stripe is the better option. Okay, so what you're paying for, again, is for the marketing strategies that are taught inside of the Fearless Momma. When you go to training portal, here are the marketing strategies. First one is Craigslist Secrets. This is a 17.5-minute video by Tammy, and she shows you exactly how to set up Craigslist ads for as little as $5 an ad, and you can market the Fearless Momma or any other business that you're in. You can market that on Craigslist. And then there's the Fearless Mastermind. This is the Fearless Mastermind Vault, where there are hours and hours of training back here on different marketing strategies. There's a 3-part solo ads training here in the back office, Facebook marketing strategies, how to set up a Facebook fan and put up a $10 Facebook ad, classifieds, training on how to place classified ads and how to outsource the placement, how to outsource the whole strategy of placing those classified ads. That's over an hour and 13-minute training right there. An open Q&A Zoom that was done. An overview of the Fearless product. How to make sales happen. Consistent conversions. All things related to autoresponders, November 5th. If you have Aweber step-by-step video training. This is some mindsets training here. Squash the imaginary boulders that stand between you and the income lifestyle you want. That's almost an hour-long training. Let's see. Some more on creating massive conversions for 6 figures a year. How to get as many Momma 2.0 members on your front line. How to upgrade. They do have a big ticket program attached to this called 6-Figure Empire. You do not have to join that if you don't want to. Sorry for scrolling so fast, but right here we see these 3 X's. This is for the upgrades into the 6-Figure Empire. As you can see, I have not upgraded yet. I don't know if I'm going to upgrade. I'll make that decision later on. But what you can do is that once you start getting those $250 commissions, you can save a portion of those commissions in order to upgrade in the other income streams here. Okay, so it's not mandatory to upgrade. You don't have to. You could just stay at the $250 level for as long as you want, okay, and never upgrade if you don't want to. Okay, and then there's bonuses under the training portal. The first bonus is how to make your first $250 in just 72 hours. Second bonus, three-part equation. How can this simple three-part equation really make you a millionaire? Bonus 3, amateur versus professional, who wins the pot of gold? Bonus 4, how to leverage OPM, which is other people's money, to your favor. And bonus 5, how to travel the world, sleep in 5-star villas, and still collect big fat checks in the mail. Okay, and then there's a class schedule of when there will be a Fearless Mastermind schedule. And then if you click on extra goodies, there are 7 modules here. Humble beginnings. Tammy's talking about how she got started in this industry, and she is a 7-figure earner now in this industry. Module 2 is this for real, collecting these big checks. Module 3, how she was able to lose 100 pounds. I think she did this a couple of years ago, and how this transformation helped her to make more money also. Module 4, how to make money from a Jeep. Module 5, when the shit hits the fan, like when things go wrong in your business. Is something that I just experienced over this weekend. How to deal with that. That's a good module. Module 6, if I had to start all over again. And module 7, 5 keys that unlock big ticket sales. Okay, so all of this is what you get for your $250. So if you're interested in getting involved with the Fearless Momma and checking it out, go ahead and click the very first link below this video, and you'll get more information about how this all works. And then you can join. Just pay your $250 and you'll have instant access to the Fearless Momma, and just go through the training, set up your payment processor, and get started. All right, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.